Today I'm going to show you how to create a logo with Wix Logo Maker. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in with your boy Nino from Creatively Nino. I got a tutorial for you guys today on how to create a logo with Wix Logo Maker that you can style up uniquely to fit your business. All right, so let's jump in and check this thing out. So if you're on your Wix dashboard, you want to head on over to your marketing and SEO. All right, as you can see, this little pop-up section shows Logo Maker, or you can easily click Wix Marketing SEO. All right, and then you can come down here to Logo Maker. Once you click Logo Maker, it will actually put you into your design logo. All right, so basically you can put in your business name here and then also a tagline. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once you guys have your business name here and also your tagline, let's go ahead and click Let's Go. All right, and then we'll actually put down what our logo is for. So we can put down design, or we can put down code. Let's see, code. Let's go ahead and say coding course. All right, and let's click next. Also, you have the option to skip through all of this stuff, but this is what Wix is doing. It's actually gathering data on you to make sure what things it can put right in front of you. So I'm going to go ahead and click all of these here. As you can see, there are different selection tags, and I actually go into selection tags in another video. So definitely check that out in the right-hand corner as I speak right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and click next here. As we can see, which of these logos do we like better? We can actually choose through all of these things here. I'm going to actually skip this portion just so that we can speed up this video. All right, so it analyzes my information that I have given it, and then it actually displays awesome content for my website. All right, so these are all the different types of logos that I can have for my website. Scroll down and actually you can see it gives you different options here. So anything that actually like reaches out to you, definitely check that out. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and load more. You can actually see more and more options here. These are pretty interestingly cool, actually. This is pretty neat. Yeah, so you can come over here and we'll just click customize. All right, so in this customization panel, as you can see your actual logo right here, but then also you can scroll over to see the different types of places your logo would be on, like your website here, as you can see, or on your social media platform here, on your business cards, and then also on a t-shirt if you want to do merchandise. All right, so they give you all of these different options for you to view before you make that decision. So I think that is a good gem that Wix has to offer here with this logo maker. So as you can see here, you have different color palettes here. We can actually choose between many of these color palettes if you don't have one already. Let's go ahead and choose something with, okay, let's choose that one. All right, I don't like that one, but it will do for now. All right, so as you can see here, we can actually customize these text messages here. So if you do not want that business name to be Creatively Nino, you can change that out. And then also you can change your tagline here. And then also you can add more text to this, all right? But I will say the fewer text, the better. All right, that is just my suggestion. Also, you can add these icons here. So if you don't like this icon, you can actually click here and you can see all of these different displays of icons based on your suggestions that you had given it, which I think this is pretty cool. It looks like a fingerprint. So we can bring this thing in right here and we can just go ahead and replace this. Or what we can do is we can expand this. I don't know how big I want it, but we can expand this, or we can keep it a little bit shorter and we can bring this in. I know this is not the tutorial that it's like a design tutorial, but you know, we could create some cool little things with the icons that we have here. So we could actually put that here. That looks pretty neat. And then also you can click on here and actually it can bring you over to that text here. So we can say, instead of coding awesome, we could say coding fingerprint. So we can say coding fingerprint because it has like a fingerprint inside of this whole entire logo. And this is what you can do, guys. You can actually style this up the way you want it. This is a very useful tool. It's awesome. And also you can put in some shapes here. So we can click add shape, and then we'll just bring in different types of shapes here. We have the square, and then we have the circle. We can bring in circle here. We can actually put in a filler color. If not, we can just keep it as that and then add a border, so we can just add that here. But there's different ways and different styles that you can create to mask over all of this stuff here. So that is pretty neat. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that shape because I don't need it. I don't think I need it. I think it looks pretty neat. So you just select one of these here, and then you just click delete on your keyboard and it will delete for you. Let's go ahead over here to upload. So this is where you can upload an image to your website. So you can just go ahead and click upload, and you'll upload that image right into this place here if you have a selected image. All right, and then also you can change the background color. So if you want it to be this color here, this darkish navy blue, you can use that, or you can go ahead and just go ahead and make it white. All right, there is options to make the background transparent, but I think that you have to do that later on down the road. All right, so you got that here. You got the palettes here. We chose those certain palettes here, but we can switch those palettes up if we want, right? So we can switch to a beach bonfire here. That's pretty neat. We have caramel glaze, electric mint, and then we have the emerald oasis. So let's go ahead and stick with that. All right, let's go ahead and click next. And as you can see, we can get a free logo. All right, so this is always that comes with your Wix premium website plan. You just get a free logo up front. So definitely take advantage of that if you don't have a logo already. But this is very useful. And so you can also download a sample file just to see what it looks like, and then to see if you really want to use it or not. If you don't, you can go back to editing the logo, or you can get it now, and then it will take you through that process to go through all of the different premium plans that you have. So you can have a different premium plan for this Wix logo plan. All right, and there are different ranges for those. There's like a value, there's a deluxe, there's an advanced, professional, there's a basic one if you just want to just take one thing. But there's all these different plans that you have, guys, and I would say make use of it right now. Okay, so that is how you can create a logo. And if you come back, you can see all of your logos within your one site here. Okay, and if you do want to see all of the logos that you have made all together, right, you can actually go to a link that I'll put in my description below. So definitely check out the description below, but you can go to a link that will actually take you to all of the logos that you've made on each and every website. So if you don't want to have it connected to one website, you guys could just create as many logos as you want. And so I'm going to go ahead and hop on over to that website. So as you can see here, I have all of my different types of logos right here. As you can see, I have my Creatively Nino logo right here, and then all of the other different logos that I have created in the past. All right. And so as you can see here, you have the option to edit this here, or you have an option to duplicate this, download it, delete it, or even create a website for it. Okay. And it will actually take that color palette and actually add it to your whole entire website feel. So definitely check that out, guys. I really recommend this. This is a very useful tool, and it's awesome because you can use as many different types of designs as you want to create that nice, unique design for your business or for whatever type of blogging site, e-commerce site, whatever type of business that you have, you can actually create that here. All right. And then also you can create business cards and more, but you have to purchase a logo in order to view that merchandise. All right. So I'm not going to go into that right now, but as you can see here, you can create a new logo from here. And like I said, this link is in my description below. So definitely go ahead and check that out. and head on over to make all of your own type of logos for yourself or for anybody else. It is a very useful tool and it helps move your project forward. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely give it a shot. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. All right, ciao.